People are good. So there's a video going around currently. I think it's on Tropics right now, where some of the persons were at the quarantine facility in, I think, Mobile, Chilani, one of them place there. Grand Bahia. I see them complain about, the conditions and whatnot. And fine, everybody reserve the right for complain if them uncomfortable. But I don't know, you have a bag of fake woke people under the post. Oh, this is inhumane and blah and tay. Clearly, we don't know what inhumane is. People we have to remember something. This is not a vacation. You see me? And it's not going to be as comfortable as when you're in the yard. It's not going to be as comfortable as when you go to a restaurant. And quite frankly, some of the things them are complain about, really and truly, and nothing to complain about. You see me I say? Jamaican people just have this thing where them feel like, or them for do what them feel like whenever them please. And while me feel like that would be the case as well, under regular circumstances, based on what I go on right now, that is totally impossible. You see me? That's one thing. Then a portion of people under it, I say, or the government this and the government that and the government what's it not when. I mean, the government, Andrew Holness and Tufton, they're not there at the facilities them, I look what I go on and I run the day-to-day operations of the facilities them. So when they now come on and say, oh, the man them wicked and the man them this and the man them that, what the fuck do you expect them to do about it? Half of the times, if something even go on, they won't know unless it is reported to them. So I just want to help me to understand exactly what I hope for gain when I say them something. You see me I say? And more want to tell me what you would do in the situation. Tell me how you would fix the situation. Because as it is right now, I mean, you're in one place for 2 weeks, 3 weeks maximum. You see me? And then you go your yard. That's all it is. Based on what I say I go on over the world, test and them thing they ration. So naturally the people who are show symptoms are gonna get preference as it come on to the testing. You see me? So if you are sure symptoms and them thing there, you will get the test. If you're not sure none, then you do your time in the isolation and all being well, you got your yard. You see me I say? So I don't know. But just I try to understand what this big conundrum is about. This bag and pan, oh, this is inhumane and ray and tay and blah. I not understand it. Because really and truly, when you really not go through nothing, when you get a box and the box crushed down, when you're in a room and the chemical that they might use probably too strong and to come in upon them, understand that part of it. So all I have to say is, yo, the chemical them when I use too strong, it affect my sinus, it affect this, it affect that. Or when them do the cleaning down, when you go out on the balcony, them go chill out. You see what I say? That's all I need to do. Everybody I try to come out of this situation here with them, You see me? The people them who suspected of having it or have it, them have a battle of fight. The people them who don't have it and just work, them no want to catch it, them a fight as well. So everybody is trying to be all for themselves, really and truly. You see me I say, instead of people trying to arrive at some form of compromise and know say, well then right now, I have to just grin and bear it. You see me? And a man can say, yeah, me there in my yard, so I can't say anything. But the truth of the matter is, I'm not used to there in my yard, so while I might have certain little luxuries, I still feel restricted just the same. But at the end of the day, I understand, say, yo, based on what I go on right now, it's just a small sacrifice we make for the long run. You see me? And I think everybody needs to just change the fucking mindset that them have and drop this bashing of government here and bashing of people there and bashing all over the place. It's a very sticky situation and everybody in it. So everybody's have to do for them part and just make sure, say, yo, at the end of the day, we come out as safe as we possibly can. Whenever that is. You see me? And the fake woke people them, cut the fuckery. Go read a book. Go watch some TV. Go do something. The whole are too fucking woke. You see me, the whole are too woke. And the only woke to nothing at all. You don't know nothing will go on in the real world. You see me, you just see a whole heap of things happen in foreign and just take it up on head and run with it because you want to be part of whatever. Everybody just want to be part of a movement to say, yo, yeah, they might do something. But they're not doing one fucking thing. You see me, I say, more than make situation worse. You see me? Go back to sleep, man. Go back to sleep.